Okay, today's Monday, March 8th, and we are doing page 19 in our STAAR Master book for our warm-up. So starting with number 1, it says the picture below shows several candy canes. What fraction of the candy canes are broken? Kelsey? B, 2, 6. Good, because there's 2 that are broken. So that's your numerator. There's 6 candy canes in all, so that would be my what? Denominator. Good, so B is correct. Okay, number 2. Look at the number line below. Which point on the number line could also represent 1/2? Javea, what do you think? What can represent 1/2 on this number line? What point? R, S, T, or U? Alright, I paused the video, but we were saying S, and another way to check to make sure is to cross multiply, because if they're the same point on the number line, then they have to be equal, right, Bryson? Okay, so I can cross multiply to see if these two fractions are equal. Are they equal? No. So can they both represent 1/2? No. Okay, so it can't be S. Kaylee, what do you think?
I think T because 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Okay, she thinks T because we've learned a few ways to tell if a fraction equals 1/2. If you take the numerator, which is 2, and add it to itself, it equals 4. So that tells me this is 1/2. Okay. Another way is, where do you think a fraction that equals 1/2 is always going to be on the number line? In the middle. Right, Allie? Why would 1/2 always be in the middle? Because it's half of something. Why is Kaylee the only one responding? This is not a trick. So even if I just am given 10 as the denominator, I can tell what is equal to 1/2 because 1/2 of 10 is 5. Okay? So 2 is 1/2 of 4, so 2/4 has to equal 1/2. So point T should have been your answer. So there's several ways you could have checked that. The numerator should be half the denominator. The point should be directly in the middle. And then you could have also cross multiplied to see if it equals 1/2. So lots of strategies we could have used to get this right. We should not have missed this. 4 times 1 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay. Alright, number 3. Mia collects stuffed animals. Which drawing shows that 2/3 of her stuffed animals are rabbits? Okay, what do you think, Evangeline? Which one shows 2/3 of the stuffed animals as rabbits? B, good. So there's 2 rabbits, 1, 2, so that's your numerator. And 3 stuffed animals total. So B is correct. The bracelets below have both white and black beads. On which bracelet are 5/8 of the beads black? Okay, so what would I need to do on this one, Javea, to find which one has 5/8 black?
Number 2 and 4, those are wrong because
Okay.
number 4 has 7 beads and number 2 has 6 beads.
Okay, stop right there, because I'm sure at home it's hard for them to hear you back there on the video. Okay, so she says 2 is wrong because you're saying 8. There should be 8 total beads. Okay, this one only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 total beads. Okay, and bracelet 4 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total beads. The total number should be 8. So we know it can't be B or D. So we go to bracelet 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This has 8. Both of these have 8, right? Okay, but we need to show the one that has 5/8 black. Okay?
And it's not 3 because it has 3 blacks.
It only has 3 black. 1, 2, 3. So this would be 3/8 black. If we look at number 1, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 8 black. 5/8. So A is the correct answer. Okay, that's all for your warm-up for today. You will see fractions on your benchmark tomorrow, guys. So remember those strategies we've talked about today. Cross multiplying. Numerator should be half the denominator for it to equal a half. And a half should always be where on the number line? In the middle, okay?